Do you want that go to school? No, and you? No, of course. I want to travel to Tamrest. When match Real Madrid to start? I think that it starts 9 o'clock. What time is it now? It's 8 o'clock. With who wants to play? With Barcelona. Classico. I think that Barcelona is win. No Real Madrid, of course. I'm with Barcelona. And you? I'm with Real Madrid.
Hello, teacher. Good morning. How are you, Emily? I'm fine, teacher. Where are your friends? They are in the street. What they doing? What time is it? They are kidding. What are you doing here now?
Welcome, Ophelia. How are you?
Fine. Why you are not go to school today?
I will go at noon. And you?
Me, I don't go today. We'll go tomorrow.
Why you don't go?
Because I'm Maladies. I think the teacher is asking for we.
Yes, of course. What you want to say to she?
Maladies. And you?
I will say Maladies also.